In the event details, we'll put events such as birthday and anniversary. Every event has to have name and an image. We can change the size and the location of the image, and we can make the image proportional. Right click on the mouse and proportional image. We can make the image proportional from the top of the image to the bottom of the cell by pressing this icon. We can perform a mask to the image. And we can select if to perform the mask or not. We can add free text to the event. And we can change the font and the font brush. We can change the event date over here. And we can select if the event is celebrating by a Jewish or Gregorian calendar by pressing this icon. If the event happens after sunset in the Jewish calendar, we will press this icon. If we want a Jewish calendar picker, we can press this icon, and now we have a Jewish calendar picker. After that we are finished, we will press OK. Over here we can see our event. We can see that it is celebrating by a Gregorian calendar. It has a mask. We are performing the mask, and we are showing the event. Over here we can see an event that it is celebrating by a Jewish calendar. We can change the order of the events by drag and drop in the list. Over here we can select a default event font or a default event brush for all of the future events. After that we are finished, we will select exit. Here we can see all our events. You can see that the image is all over the cell, and it is without the free text. This is okay in the planning calendar. When we are selecting file and save months, when we are making the calendar, then we will see the event with the mask and the free text as it's supposed to be. Over here we can select how to show the events, if to show all of the events, show selected events or don't show events, and also for the mask. By pressing this checkbox we can select out if to show the events or not. Now we don't show the event. This is for making calendars for one side of the family, let's say the husband side, and the husband side doesn't supposed to see all of the wife side of the family events. If you want to make more than one event in a specific date, then we'll create another event in the same date. Let's say that this event, 4th of November, will be the same as 20th of November. Let's change it. So now you can see that we have two events in the same date, And when we will make the calendar by file and save months, then the program will ask us to change the location of the images and a free text. If we don't want an image at all, we want only a free text, then what we are going to do is go to the image design, select customize, let's say 100 pixel, 100 pixel. We will see that the format is a PNG format. So now this is transparent. Then we'll go to File, Export as an image, save the image, and we will go to our image, our event, and we will change the image to a transparent image. Now, when we are doing file and save months, we can see our event with only a free text without the image. Now sometimes, now let's see, now we are doing file and save month. You can see our event with the image inside it. Now sometimes, let's say I will take November 2014, and when I'm going to do file and save month, then the program will tell me to re-edit my event. This happens because the image or the free text is outside of the boundaries of the cell, because you can see now we have 6 weeks in a month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in a month. And when I making the event, it has only 5 weeks in a month. So now the image is outside of the boundaries of the cell. So in order to fix it, I will go to the event, and over here I will select show real date, and I will choose next year, let's say a Gregorian calendar, and now I will select the image and the free text, and I will put them inside of the boundaries of the cell. So now, if I will try it next year, in the 6 weeks calendar, 6 weeks month, and I will press file and save month, then it will be okay, and the program will not ask me to re-edit the event.